Welcome to the Pilates Show, where we explore Pilates tips and techniques to help deepen the skill level of the movement educator while having fun.
Hi, Jen and Amy here, and we're looking at what we're calling the butterfly legs. So Amy's going to find the center of her sits bones so she can get rid of any extra flesh, so she can really feel the center of the sits bones into the stool, so she can really embody the full optimal height of her spine. So no, we'll get to the feet and the legs in a moment, but I think that that's a really important concept of where are we the tallest, especially in a seated position. Where are we the tallest in our spine? So Amy, curl back. So most of us would agree this is a shortening of the spine, and it is. Come back to center. And then arch forward to the front of your sitting bones. Now some people think, oh, well, I've gotten longer. This is actually the same thing. You're shortening the spine, going in front of the sits bones also. So come to the very center of your sits bones where you can really find that optimal expansion through all sides of your spine. Now I also want Amy to really become aware of the four corners of her feet. And if the camera wasn't there, I would be facing her knees. But what I'm going to try to do here, so you guys can also see Amy, is to roll her first metatarsal down towards the floor. So I'm giving her that feeling, first metatarsal down towards the floor, and now she's in charge of all four corners of her feet as she tries to externally rotate through her femurs, but only to that point where she does not lose her feet. And then feel the inner thighs draw back to the floor to bring the femurs back into that parallel-ish position. And again, let's inhale and externally rotate without losing the center of the sits bones and without losing the feet. And then from the upper inner thighs, she comes back to parallel. And I want Amy to really think about injecting her femurs deeper and deeper into her hip sockets and feeling the sitting bones and tail bloom. One more time. Rolling equally left and right. And then as she comes back to parallel, I want her to feel that injection of her femurs deep into the back of her hip sockets and her sitting bones and tail bloom.
That's it for today. If you have a different take on today's subject, or if there's anything you'd like to see covered in an upcoming episode, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below on Facebook, Twitter, or in the forum at fusionpilatesedu.com. See you next time, and never stop learning.